I felt, and I'm speaking as a person who grew up, although technically she was considered an Orthodox Jew, she was really a liberal Jew. And I picked up certain things that I thought liberal Jewishness was recognizing that there are different cultures. They're not bad. Some are, some aren't, but mostly bad. The real Jew does not discriminate even against other religions. And I also picked up that you look for what's inside the person, mentally and physically. And you know, it's very interesting in my marriage. My wife knew more about Jewish customs than I did. She just thought that, you know, being a Jew is not all bad, because I told her what I experienced. And she said, I'm looking at the wrong end. And even though she came from a Catholic family, she, I would say, knew more than I did. But from an early age, having felt what prejudice was like and being very distasteful, even though I was a Unitarian, I would sometimes say, I'm part Jewish. And I would say, I'm never ashamed of that. And I look to my mother, who was a fine person, and I say, when it comes down to the crunch, Judaism is a fine religion.